In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a clean, transparent text effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, go to Select. Choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically select your subject. Now press Ctrl and J to copy the subject into a new layer. Select the Text tool. Type your text. Here's the font I'm using, but you can choose any font you like. Adjust the text size and position it. Drag and place the text layer below the subject layer. Duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl and J, and move this duplicate above the subject layer. Set the fill of the duplicate to 0%. Double-click on the duplicate text layer to open its Layer Style menu. Enable Stroke. Set the stroke size to 6 pixels. Choose the same color as your text for the stroke, and click OK. And that's it. You've created a transparent text effect in Photoshop. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.